What's that? Yeah, see? Hairdressers. Hair sanctuary, whatever that means. It's another place being refurbed. Don't know what that's going to be. Here, brother, what's the shop going to be? Do you know?
No, not yet. They're just going to rent it out when it's ready.
Okay, right.
Yeah,
cheers,
no
man.
one knows.
Thanks. So they're going to get it ready and then the owners are going to rent it out. So no one, it's available, that one then. But don't, if you're a barber, I wouldn't bother because there's already two in that tiny little road. Right next door to each other. Oh, no singing. You haven't even got the headphones on, there's no reason to. No, but you just like music. I've got my head torch on for tonight because if a light does stop, at least I can see where I'm going with the head torch and not get nicked or whatever. I've got the blues on, but I really need to plug them in because I haven't used it for so long. It's probably just drained them out. Ooh, there's a nice car. Right, let's have a little look, see. What a beauty. VIDRR. Disabled. It's got a disabled badge. What a shot. It's a Taycan GTS. It's not the electric one, it's the petrol one. Nice. Big old brake discs. Hello, pigeon. Ah, it's Burger Man. At last, he's back. He's been off over Christmas. God, I'm starving. I haven't eaten for a month. Now, have we got a queue? We haven't got any band. Oh dear. Might be another food one then. Can only give you what I can find. Funny old noise. Oh, there's. Oh no, that's lighting. That's power for the vans. Power for the vans.
Alright, Scooter, how you doing?
I'm good, thanks, mate. Where you been?
Relaxing.
I'm nearly starving to death. Here, did you see yourself at Worthing?
Yes, thank you.
You're in the next one as well.
Oh, excellent. Nothing wrong with a bit of publicity?
No, absolutely.
Is that property management or sales?
Both, but I look after the fleet of company cars.
Oh, right, cool.
Do they give you one?
No, but
or do you give yourself one?
borrow one when I need one.
Right.
I used to have a hire car company.
Pardon?
I used to have a hire car company. It's called Auto Indemnity, and we did something called credit hire.
Oh, yeah.
You know all about credit hire?
Yeah.
Well, we were one of the first to do it in the early 90s.
Ah, there we go.
Started off with 5 old bangers.
Yep.
And ended up with 120 brand new hire cars on our fleet.
Right. Nice.
Then we closed it. Then I invested the money in something else and lost a lot. All the toppings.
Yes, please.
For both.
Hello.
Oh yeah, hello lovely, how are you?
I'm alright. How are you?
Not bad, thank you my dear.
What time are you here till today?
He's got another event this evening.
Yeah, I know. I want to get some chips before he goes. Let's see what time he's here till. We've got the cheap 5 minutes.
Do you want to go in front of me then? I don't mind. I've got all day.
I've just got a cheeky 5 minutes from work. I want to grab the team some chips. He has the best chips in town.
He does.
He does.
That's why I'm here. You jump in there, it's fine.
Oh, thank you.
Cash at 16, please. Thank you. Thank you very much. So it's a bit cold, that money. A burger.
Can you do this lady first? She's in a hurry.
Some chippies.
Chippies.
Yeah, just for the team. I'll come and grab you a coffee and a croissant when I'm on my break. Yeah.
Oh, star.
Cappuccino, chocolate on top.
Always, please.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Well remembered.
No, it's a busy Saturday. We're a little bit short staffed, so I thought I'd come and grab some chippies for the guys.
Good. Hope that's a premonition of things to come.
Yeah. Thank you.
No worries. See you later.
See you later. If you ever want to come into Dales while I'm working, I'll give you a coffee on us for that.
Hey, thank you. Freebies all round.
Well, I have done some European countries.
Yeah, usual, please.
Feed me, I feed them.
Yeah, I see that. You all look after each other. It's good.
Yeah, exactly. We'll do that, man.
Nice little community, isn't it? Okie dokie. Meal. What else have we got here then? So a little bit of barbecue, I think. It's very quiet today, isn't it?
At the moment it is. Bloody freezing, that's why.
Yeah, it's a little bit early, isn't it? Lovely jolly.
God bless you.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to this. I've been having withdrawals. Lovely. Try and find somewhere half warm to eat it.
Yeah, don't drop it. Eat it before it gets cold.
Yeah. Okay, mate. Nice one.
Excellent. I'll see you later.
Yep. Yeah, you might actually see me later. see how cold it is. See ya. Okay, dokie. We got a little table. You want to see the goodies? The treasure. Yay. Got some barbecue sauce on there. Try that with the chips. Not bad. I like these chips on their own though. Okay, I'll turn you off. You don't want to hear me chomping again. We haven't been spotted. No crows at the moment. I think I'm going to have to put mud up in a minute. That'll keep a bit of heat in, won't it? Don't want to do. No, it's pretty miserable. The little garden there. In the winter, everything's died back and beautiful in the summer. Pigeons. Hey, little Frenchie. Oh, I saw a crow. Yep, we've been spotted. give the crows a peanut. Go, Buster. Oi. Hello. Use a concrete path because I nearly got stuck there the other day. Stump a couple more of these peanuts off for these crows. Ugh. There's loads of them there. We'll have to work it out, guys. There's not enough there for all of you. It's a bit chilly. Oh God, I think I might have to call it early. I was going to stay out for the evening and see if we could find some foxes. Seem to be missing some. You start doing this stuff, you know, you get to know them, and then of course they're wild animals, you know, they go missing, things happen. Then you end up worried and upset. You guys want some more, don't you? Trouble is there's too many of you. Hello. I can see swans, so they haven't left. Looks like no one's there as well. That's always a bonus. Maybe get some pickies because it ain't busy. Oh, we got geese, swannies sitting on the path. Well, they spotted me marching over this way. They know Scooter's here with the garb. Scooter will have some food for us. Oh yeah. Then we bought some food for the swannies. Hello. How you do? You come to meet me? Hello. Right, what have I got for you? If I can find it. I bought you a bag of lettuce, but I can't find it. Aha, there we go. Yeah. Hello. Yummy, yummy. You're welcome. There's a little thing they do, didn't say thank you. Yeah, they prefer the seeds. Try and give them the healthy stuff as well. If I put it on the lettuce, they'll get some lettuce as well. Geese want some. Oh my word. The babies kick you off it. Are they nicking all the food? Nearly as big as you. So the beaks haven't gone yellow yet, see? But these two are much whiter than those. That one is nearly there, isn't he? He's got more white on him than he has brown. Is the light on? No. It's not working. Oh, we've got singers. Should I hang around and do the singers? Question is, when are they going to start?
Cold on that, isn't it?
Oh, boss, what's up?
Bit cold, eh?
Yeah, it's a bit chilly.
Yeah. Alright, did you get one of these?
What is it? Smile. I could. What's this?
Well, I'm a Christian, so
Okay.
yeah, it's about Jesus, yeah?
Message from Jesus.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Have you got any beliefs yourself?
No, not really.
Not really. You
Hey.
don't believe in God?
Nature, you know.
Yeah.
That's where I get my charge.
Yeah, I get that.
I'll go in
but
the forest and feed off the wildlife
I understand that. But
because I can see it.
somebody created the nature. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's who the one we go to is the one that nature is beautiful and God made that nature, you know. So I know him because of how good he is and all the things he's made, you know.
Might be
Anyway,
an interesting
do
read.
you want prayer for anything?
No, I'm good, mate.
You're good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pray for the wildlife.
Well, bless you. Yeah, we do. God bless you. Be well.
And you.
All right. Take care. Have a good day.
Are these guys with you? Are they a Christian band or
Not
something?
them over there. No,
Okay.
no.
I was waiting for the music, you see.
Yeah, no, they're for, I think they're doing something with animals, about animals.
That's cool. That's my world.
All right.
Hello.
Take care, mate.
Right, let's try and find out what's going on here then. Talk to a lady in a wheelchair. Good. Oh, alright. Hello.
Hello.
Are they going to entertain us, do you know? Or have they done it already?
Who? Oh, would you like to take part?
No, I just want to listen. What's it going to be?
You go watch it. So it's
And it hasn't happened yet. That's what I'm wondering.
No. So you go over. We can obviously bring it over for you. That's no issue.
Over what?
And you watch a 3-minute movie. And if you watch this 3-minute movie, you
see
will
what
win
you
a prize.
mean,
Are
okay.
you interested?
Not really.
No, you sure?
But I like music, so I was
Well, it has
interested.
got music in
if they were going to sing, you know.
No, it's not karaoke or anything like that.
Okay,
But
alright.
you're not interested, sure?
No, not
Okay,
really.
no
Okay,
worries.
cheers anyway.
I would have said you were a dead cert.
Why?
Because you just look like someone that goes through life with taking on challenges.
Yeah, but, you
Go
know,
on, what's
I'm
it?
way too shy.
You're
for that.
not.
I am.
Talking to me.
Yeah, I
Only
know.
3 minutes.
What is?
The challenge, you've just got to look at something, 3 minutes, and then you win food.
I've heard that before.
If you don't like it after a minute,
Yeah.
you think, no, it's not me. You just go off.
I don't think it is for
Come
me.
on, up for a challenge.
I thought, the reason I came over, I thought you were musicians. What I
Well, I can
do,
do it. I can
I
do
go
a little
around-
bit of
a dance and
If you like, I can try. I'm not sure how good I'll be.
I film the musicians around this town, you see.
Oh, right,
That's
okay.
why I was asking. Because
Yeah.
I've got a YouTube and I film the buskers and the bands and all the musicians. Sometimes singers set up there.
Sounds good.
So I was curious as to whether I'd missed it or...
Oh, okay. So you won't take our challenge?
Nah, it's not for me.
Oh, you don't know what it is. How can you say it's not for you when you don't take the challenge?
I'm going for a ride in the forest instead.
In the
There's,
forest.
there's no bands around.
We could film you taking the 3 minute challenge and you could put that on your YouTube. What about that?
I don't think
No?
so.
I think so.
I'm far too shy.
You're not so shy. Look. Of course you're not. You're not, definitely not shy. Anyway, you have a good day.
Yeah, Angie. Good luck with it. Yep, we got a trolley. At least one. Got quite a rumble. There's a yellow tennis ball. And I don't mean a copper. Hello, squirrel. Hello, squirrel. Give him a couple of peanuts. He like that. Hockey docky. Oh, the magpies. We got birds following the peanut train. There you go, guys. You want to see them? There's a couple of magpies there as well. I wonder if they're the same ones we done earlier. I've found that magpies have a much bigger territory than what the crows do. Oh, there's a big tree come down, look at that. Wow, that's been cut down. So, can you see, does that tell you anything if you know about these? Is there something wrong with that? It's that elm. So it got that Dutch elm disease. Just seems such a waste, you know. They're doing fine, but are they spreading it? You know what I mean? There's a pretty big seagull. And no singing. Is the spotlight working? Yeah, that's good. That's good. But the headlight's not. Which is a pain in the ass. Hello, Buster. Oh, little guy's cut of peanuts. Cheers, Ross. Look, it's a buzzard. It's a big old buzzard. See if we get another shot of him. Hello. See if we can get a better shot of the buzzard. Where did he go? He went towards them trees. Can't see him. Our buddy the buzzard. There he is. See him in that tree there. So yeah, get the big camera out, we'll get a shot of him. I hope he stays there. It'll take me a little while. Get the camera out. Oi, oi, oi. I bet I'll look up and he's gone. Ugh. Oh, he's still there. He's gonna let me get some pickies. I think I'll just put the 4K on him, innit? I can use it then. Where are you? Is that you? No, can't locate him. Back. Oh, there he goes. Wow, he's landed. Are you alright, buddy? He's like, hey Scooter, you got any of them fresh pigeons on board? I haven't, buddy. Oh, he's just in that tree now. I think I might put some dog biscuits down. He can have a go at them. Don't trust that mud there though. Might be getting a bit close for him. Yeah, he's in the tree here. Oh, give him them goodies. He saw me putting them down. We might go and check them out. I won't look at him. I don't want to scare him off. He's going to wait for me to go, so what I'm going to do sort of pretend to go backwards so we can sneak in again. See him there? He's like, hand over the fresh meat, Scooter. Right, that worked. Ugh. I'll leave him to it. Hopefully he'll eat them dog biscuits. Do you want to see a graveyard? A really old graveyard? I haven't got any other content today, so I don't think I've done this for you before. Quite an interesting place. You get some wildlife in here. A little sanctuary again. Oh, it is open. I think it shuts at about 5. I'll just check. Don't want to get locked in there, eh? Could be spooky. Can't see anything about closing time here. Squirrel. No singing. What are you doing driving round here? It's freezing cold, you should have gone home. I know, but I'm desperate for content. There wasn't any bands. All I've got is the same old ride around town. Now, that ain't gonna cut it. My viewers need something different. Well, here it is. Oh, squirrel and a missile thrush, I think, possibly. Multi-squirrels. Yeah, but we need more than squirrels. Well, you just got a buzzard, come on. Stop moaning. Hello, squirrel. These guys don't know me. Might be up for a peanut though. So it's a chapel. You have your service. Buried a friend here when I was younger. Boom, 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 boom. He's flying like a magpie, isn't it? He's sort of going brr, brr, brr. Not magpie, yeah. Oh God, woodpecker, like a green woodpecker. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so at one point there's a couple of parrots living here years ago. I don't know if I should have my... Oh, I shouldn't have my music on really. Is it? Yeah, because we've got birdsong, you see. Being a sanctuary, one of the few places that haven't been built on around here. Oh look, there's a bit. See the hole in that bird box up there? Can you see the bird box on that tree? Let's get it on the big cam. Bin. I want to see that hole. It's got to be 5-inch hole, 6-inch hole even. So, what's in the hole? Yeah. Well, I don't know. There's something pretty big's going to fit in there, but some creatures don't like tight holes in their legs. They're like robins, you know, they have a big square fronted box, but you know, with a squeeze they could fit into a tip box with a little round hole, but they don't, they like the big square front box. Wow, some interesting bird songs coming out. I'm not talking about the magpie. Another squirrel. Two. This battery's going to go down as well in a minute. It's showing red, although it's fully charged. Strange. It's cold. It's cold weather. Same with the scooter. I know I can't see the batteries at the moment. Yeah, we've lost one light. I haven't got battery problems on this at the moment, apart from the fact, you know, I always want to go further than I have, but it is doing max range at the moment. I'm happy with that. I don't always need to do 18 miles. Sometimes I do. Yeah, these batteries have been alright. I put them in at the same time I put in a new motor. So everything's tickety-boo. My word. It's cold. I just took my gloves off because I'm going to stop and have a coffee, but what? My hands already. Ow. Oh, sorry, Mr. Pigeon. Come on. It's not like I was looking at you or anything. Overreacted. What's behind this hedge? Another little area. Yep. Okay. It's actually got a little wiggly path goes on that one. God. I think I might take the opportunity to put my jacket on too. Oh look, someone's tipped that bench over. I can't believe someone's tipped that bench over and nobody's bothered to pick it back up. Is it broken? Sorry, deceased. I'm just going to try and fix the bench. No disrespect driving on you. Oi, but oi. There we go. Let's put it back a bit so it's flat. Yeah. Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, that's much better, isn't it? And it's level now, so anyone sits on it, they're not going to tip out. I can't believe, could have been the wind, I suppose. I can't believe someone would sit on a bench, it falls over. Maybe they're so angry that they just like charge off moaning. Takes a guy in a wheelchair come along and pick it up for him. Hello, squirrel. He's a runner. This is a better bench for us, I think. Oh, what a beautiful bench. Look at it. Oh, it's extra long. 1940 to 2011. So the bench is in memory of that person. I don't know if they do that where you come from, but anybody want a peanut? There's a car coming. Is he going to come this way? He is. Got some blackbirds. Let's have a new look at them. What are you up to? Is he having a little bathe in the mud, or is he just hunting for worms? Okay, blackbird singing, then a blackbird foraging, all in one. Ding, off, down. Thank you, blackbirds. A bit of entertainment.